Instructor-led Demo 1.2 Run Reports. The objective of this workshop is to provide an overview of running a report from the KMS Reports Portal in various report formats. From the KMS Reports Portal, go to TCSG Content, navigate through the menu, Technical Education, System Level, Enrollment, Award Level of Enrollment. This is Report TES 0698. Click on the title to open. Notice the About This Report section. TCSG authored reports will include the report description, source, report replaced, access level, and scope of the report. Select a current or previous term from the drop-down menu. This will often be referred to as parameters or prompts. Prompts that have an asterisk next to them are a mandatory selection. Click Submit and run the report. Click the Run As icon and rerun the report in other formats that you are interested in viewing. You should be able to open with or save file when prompted. Click the Close icon from the Welcome menu at the top center of the screen to close the report. This concludes Instructor-led Demo 1.2, Run Reports.